A poorly installed toilet often reveals itself the moment it is lifted from the floor. When removing a toilet, start by noting the condition of the wax ring and flange. A wax ring that is not compressed or that flakes apart indicates improper seating and can allow gas and water leaks, so replace it with a modern wax-free or reinforced wax ring and ensure the flange sits level with the finished floor. Check whether the flange is below floor level, which causes the toilet to rock and stresses the outlet bolts. If the flange is recessed, add a flange extender or build up the floor with a level flange spacer and secure it to the subfloor. Inspect for corrosion on bolts and the flange itself, since rust weakens fasteners and can break during removal. Use stainless steel bolts and a brass or stainless flange when replacing corroded parts. Look for rot in the subfloor around the flange, which appears as soft or stained wood and requires cutting out the damaged section and installing new plywood or a marine-grade backer before reinstalling the toilet. Confirm the mounting screws are long enough to engage the flange and not so short that they strip or so long that they hit the horn. Replace short screws with the correct length and use washers and properly torqued nuts to secure the base evenly. Examine sealant use and watermarks around the base. Excessive caulk under the toilet can hide leaks, and water stains on the floor or ceiling below indicate active leaks that must be repaired before any new installation. Common problems include a crushed or improperly seated wax ring that explains lingering odors and slow leaks, and the quick fix is to remove residual wax, dry the area, and install the correct style ring while ensuring even compression when setting the bowl. Another frequent issue is a flange set too low, which makes the bowl rock and damage the seal, and the practical remedy is to fit a flange extender or repair the floor to bring the flange to the proper height. Rot or soft subfloor beneath the toilet often goes unnoticed until removal and will continue to fail if ignored. So cut out the damaged material, install a solid replacement panel, and flash with a waterproof membrane if the space is prone to moisture. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and gives contractors a place to showcase their services and win projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share photos, repair experiences, and practical advice related to diagnosing and correcting installation failures.